For new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair. And so I'm always on the hunt for affordable, good quality, human and synthetic hair. Y'all know one of the companies that, I see them all the time, like they pop up as ads on my feeds on every social media you can think of, is Ashimary. Like they always pop up and I always am like, dang, that looks so nice. So when I got an opportunity to review an Ashimary wig, y'all, I said, let's do it. Now, I have reviewed hair from them in the past, and I've really been impressed with it. So I have a feeling I'm gonna be impressed with this one as well. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with you guys. So let's open up this cute box. All right, so first of all, we know I love the packaging because this is my absolute most favorite color. And on the inside, we have the wig, but it's some extra stuff in here as well. So we need to see what that's about. It is a magnetic closed box. I really do like these hard boxes because they are the best for storing my wigs. So let me open this up. All right, yeah. So we have the hair. Not only do we have the hair, we also have some extras. We have a wide tooth comb in the same pretty color that I love. And then in this little bag, there's so much stuff in here. Let's see. We have some HD wig caps. We have some, now this is clutch. Some eyelashes, but we have the little clusters, which I prefer now. Like I'm trying to get away from strips, looking more natural. So I really do love these. We have some wig tape. We also have, what is this? I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna have to look this up. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. This always cutting edge stuff with them. We have an edge comb. What else is this? We have, this is an edge band, but it makes it feel more comfortable against your ears. So that is really cool. We have a care card about the wig as well. I'm gonna hold on to this because I feel like this is stuff that I am going to need. Let's see. So the wig, I got 2 wigs from Ashimary, and I just filmed the short coppery bob, y'all. I absolutely love that. Hopefully I put footage there. That one has already gone up. I absolutely love that wig. It is perfect for summer. It did not feel too hot. It did not feel too much on my head. It was affordable, beginner friendly. Loved it. For this one here, this is completely outside of the realm. So that other one was beginner friendly and straight to the point, like my normal bob. That's what I'm known for. Like I'm really known, but you know what I mean. Like that's the hair I always wear. I also saw that Ashimary had a new wig out, and I said I want to try this because I want to see if it's beginner friendly. So this is Ashimary's. I'm reading off here because I wrote everything down. This is their new Invisi-Strap 360 lace wig. You can get it in different textures, but I got it in waterway. They say that this wig is glueless and that it is so beginner friendly because everything has been pre-done for you, like pre-plucked, pre-cut, all that. You don't have to do anything, so it's beginner friendly. But what makes me nervous is the 360 lace, the Invisi-Straps. Like, see, that's when you're stepping into the realm of professionals. So I wanted to get this wig to see if it is beginner friendly. That's what the extra was that was in the box. Okay, so they gave me some extra Invisi-Straps that we are going to attach on the wig, but I want to show it to you on the wig. Okay, before I show you that though, y'all, look at this. Look at how pretty that is. Just the wig, the curl in itself, and I love me a good water wave, right? Like they said, everything's been pre-done for you. I'm trying to see what my dog is eating. Hold on. So they said that everything has been like pre-cut and pre-plucked. Now I will give them that, y'all. That looks really good right out of the pack. Okay, what's making me nervous though is the Invisi-Strap part. We shall see. So you get 360 degrees of lace on this unit. So you get lace all in the front, and then that lace follows around to the back, which means that you should be able to put this wig in a messy bun. We shall see, okay? And then not only do you have the lace going all the way around the wig, you also have these Invisi-Straps. That's the extras that they gave me. There it is on the unit, and you see that those clear straps then go around the back of the wig, and they come up here, and you can adjust it. Like this part is adjustable to make the wig tighter and yada yada. So we shall see if that'll work. We also have a comb in the back, and we have 2 combs in the front as well. Okay, so that's cool. And then we have an adjustable glueless band with their branding on it. So y'all, this should be pretty straightforward. Now, they also have these on the side. I think that's adhesive once I take this off. So I'll show that to you guys on camera. Oh yeah. It's adhesive. That's wig adhesive that's already there. But they also included some extra pieces for when I wear this wig, you know, again. Y'all, this is really pretty. I hope that it is beginner friendly because it, on paper, looks really good. Let us see. I'm going to put this on my head and let you see it right out of the pack what it looks like. And then we are going to play around with this strap, see if I could do a messy bun and it look all right. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. on this wig, and I got a Kool-Aid grin on my face because I cannot lie. I was very nervous reviewing a wig like this because it takes me out of my comfort zone, right? Because I can't comb hair, so any unit that I wear, it has to be beginner friendly, right? I was so surprised that me, with my skill level, I was able to use the Invisi straps. I got water on my face from I just sprayed this down again. I was able to use the Invisi straps easily. I was able to put this in a messy bun and it looked okay from the back easily. This is the most beginner 360 lace wig that I have ever had in my life. It was so easy to put this on, like right out of the pack, putting this on my head. it looked good. It looked good right out of the pack. It was not hard to make this look more natural on my head. I did wear, I loved it dry. Then I sprayed it with water. I loved it wet. I'm pretty sure I put all that back there. And then I said, let me try this bun. Like adjusting these little clear straps. Yeah, I was so nervous. And it believe it or not, it was beginner friendly for my skill level. So if you are someone that can style hair, this wig, 1,010% you definitely need in your arsenal. With it being as hot as it is, the fact that I can put this wig on my head and then I use those straps and pull this up in a messy bun and I not look a mess from behind, 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. I think the difference in the two wigs that I got from Ashimary, whether it's this 360 Invisi-Lace wig or the bob that I got, both of them were great. I don't have a complaint about any of them, but it speaks to how versatile Ashimary is. So I encourage you, if you go on their site, to play around, because y'all, they even make this wig, like if you like this but you don't want waterway, they make it in other textures as well. I know they have a straight. So I really encourage you to look around on their site, because both of these wigs really blew my mind. I loved them both. I definitely can recommend both of these, y'all. This wig was pretty wet. It's drying now. I really liked it when it was all the way dry before I put anything on it. So both of those, wet or dry, you're gonna love this wig. I can't stop smiling because this one was really nice, y'all, and Ashimary made me happy with both of these wigs, and I can definitely recommend both of them. Talk to me in the comments and tell me what your thoughts are. Would you want a wig like this? This is an investment, but this is a great investment. This one is more expensive than a normal, just like, you know, a 13 by 4, 13 by 6, 7 by 5, which they sell those too. This one is more expensive, but it is definitely worth the extra coinage that you have to spend to get this wig. Talk to me in the comments and tell me what your thoughts are on this unit, because y'all, I'm very happy with what I got from Ashimary. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.